Google might finally be ready to shake up the smartphone world in ways we haven't seen in years. The upcoming Pixel 11 Pro isn't just about a fresh design or a camera tweak. It could redefine performance from the inside out. Welcome back, viewers. James here. Like, share, and subscribe for more. Let's start with the rumors everyone's buzzing about. Google could be ditching Samsung's Exynos modems once and for all. Instead, the Pixel 11 might team up with MediaTek's M90, paired with the new Tensor G6 chip. This is huge because the M90 isn't just another modem. It's a powerhouse supporting 12 Gbps download speeds, dual-active 5G SEMs, and for the first time ever on a Pixel, built-in satellite connectivity. That's right, the phone could stay online even in the middle of nowhere. Now, imagine what that means: stronger signals, faster downloads, and almost zero dropped calls. Coupled with Google's AI smarts, the Pixel 11 might finally solve one of the longest-standing Pixel problems: reliable connectivity in all situations. Beyond connectivity, the Tensor G6 is rumored to bring major efficiency gains. Built on TSMC's Ender 3P nodes, it's smaller, faster, and cooler than ever. The CPU design is getting an overhaul too, moving to 6 Cortex's 730 cores plus a new X9 and 30 Prime core, paired with a new 3-core IMG GPU. This means better graphics, smarter AI processing, and improved battery life. And here's a fun twist. Component costs suggest Google is making serious gains in efficiency. Reports say the Pixel 9 Pro's bill of materials is significantly lower than its main competitor, the iPhone 16 Pro, thanks to smaller screens and batteries. Yet, both start at roughly the same retail price. Google could be carving a path toward high performance without overinflated costs, which could be a game changer for Android enthusiasts. Of course, all of this is still under wraps, but if even half of it is true, the Pixel 11 Pro might be the most ambitious Pixel yet. A phone that finally feels like a true flagship in every way. So, I want to hear from you. Do you think this partnership with MediaTek could put Google back on top? Or should they have stayed the course with Samsung? Drop your thoughts below.